This kind of seems like a massively... Nothing that was supposed to come apart. So with the A-arms off, now comes the task of removing the ball joints out of the old A-arms so we can press them into the new A-arms. Now in order to do this, you are going to need either a ball joint press or removal tool, which if you don't have one, a lot of automotive part stores will actually rent them out for you. And I didn't have one, but I figured with as many projects as I plan on doing here throughout the years on Appalachian Mountain Riders, I was going to go ahead and get one. So I got this kit here from good old Harbor Freight for around 80 bucks, and it should have everything we need to swap out these ball joints. So I'll go ahead and show you how to use this guy real quick on one of them, and then it's just the same steps repeated for each and every one. If you don't know what a ball joint press removal kit is, it's basically a big C-clamp that has a bunch of different adapters for slipping over the ball joints that will allow you to press them in and also push them out. So the first thing we need to do here on the uppers before we can take the ball joint out is to take the snap ring out. Now you can either use snap ring pliers, which I have here, or you can use a good pair of needle nose and get the same effect if you don't actually have these. It doesn't hurt either to take a little brake clean. We want to clean these up anyway to keep as much dirt off the stuff as we can. Clean that up a bit. But basically what you got to do is just spread these to remove that clip. Now these may be a little stuck on here. Yeah, see how, I don't know if you can see if I'm zoomed in enough, but here on the back it's still not wanting to come out, so I'm just going to take a straight edge screwdriver, probably a little more on it, work it around, and there she's loose, almost. And now, oops, oh, I lost it. Cooperate with me, we're on camera. There, get the one side up, work the other side up, and that's out. Now these upper ones are made to press through this way. So we gotta take our tool here. This kind of seems like a massively, I don't think that was supposed to come apart. Should still work nonetheless. Alright, so we have our ball joint in here. We have the sleeve that's big enough to go over the ball joint and actually rest on the A-arm that goes around. We have our actual press arm here. So now it's just a matter of taking the wrench, putting her on there, and start cranking. You can see how she's moving. Just like that. We have removed the ball joint. Now pressing the ball joints back in the new Super ATV arms is just as simple as uninstalling them as your Harbor Freight guy comes apart. The only thing you got to make sure to pay attention is these are going the wrong way. You don't want to put them in upside down. They're also not going to do you any good. So to press the new one in, make sure you have your bolt facing the right way, and you pretty much just press it in the reverse manner that you pushed it out. Once you have it pressed in, flip her over, reinstall our snap ring. Making sure that it seats in a groove like so. And the uppers are ready to go on.